TrapMan wind up mouse trap. Doesn't require baiting. Turn the handle on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is plenty. Inside there's a little tread plate, just inside there. When you step on the tread plate, there's a little wheel inside, looks like a water wheel. Swipes the mice, chucks it into the compartment. In there. Tip your mice out. Right, placing it. Place it up against the wall. This is your wall. Place it so far off the wall. Cover the top. Put a piece of cardboard or something over the top so it's dark inside. Mouse runs along the wall, sees the entrance, goes in to have a look. This is a true multi-catch. If you've got a lot of mice, it's ideal for singularly catching, but multiple catches. So it resets itself after its first mouse. Does about 15. Yeah, that's about it. Then you'd have to wind it up again. Empty your mouse out. That's a TrapMan wind up mouse trap.